Alright, you are welcome to my video, and I believe you know I am the only one Action FX, and you are really welcome to my video. Yes, you are welcome. So it is another new week that I'll be recording my trading experience from Monday to Friday. Okay, so today is actually Wednesday, so I didn't trade on Monday and Tuesday due to some personal reason. So I did not record on Monday and on Tuesday because I did not trade. But I might trade tomorrow, today, or next tomorrow. So it is currently Wednesday, and guess what? I'm here to document the whole experience I will be going through this week. Alright, so all you need to do is stay to the end of this video, like this video, comment, and you can subscribe to this channel because this is where you could get free realistic Forex knowledge for you. Realistic. I'll be telling you the truth, and if you are following my channel, you might be closer to your profitability. I won't lie to you. So it is what it is, and let's get to the business. Alright, so I'm actually looking at two pairs this week, which is Euro USD and GBP USD. Alright, so I'll be taking you to the chart, showing you why I'm entering this trade, why this trade is actually the high probability trades for me to look into. Alright, so you can learn from my experience and also from my trades, one or two. Alright, so it is what it is, and I'll take you to my chart right now. Alright, so make sure you do have to stay to the end of this video, like, comment, and follow step by step. Alright, you are welcome to my screen, and let's hop into my chart. So like I said, I'll be looking at two pairs this week. Normally I trade only two pairs for the week. It might be any pair that shows me good opportunities. I'll just choose them to trade for that week. That's how I do my thing. Just two for the week. Then we'll hop into the next one for the next week. So on GBP USD, this is Euro USD. So first of all, I'll be breaking down GBP USD. So first of all, price was going to the downside, which is price is trending down. As you can see, price is trending down. This is what I wanted to sell from last week, this zone, but price did not tap that zone and they continue selling. So I missed all this move. It is what it is. So for this week, for the new week, I think I'll just be looking at this opportunity. So it might take time for price to come to that zone, but whichever way, that's when I see patience. Please, patience. Please, you need to be patient in this game in order to be or make the right or choose the right decisions. So that's just it. So I'll be waiting for price. Price hasn't even given me my structural liquidity, but I have to wait. if they do it, I want to see price giving me series of up and down right here. Sorry about that. Then coming to my zone and dropping. So this is what I'll be expecting on GBP USD this week. Alright. Mind you, if this first zone doesn't hold, I'll be watching out for this zone also. I'm watching out for this zone to sell from this zone, but my bias is just sell. Whichever way, my bias is sell. So I used to be like 80%, 70%, 60% right on my bias. So for the Euro USD, this is just what I have. So I'm waiting for price. Let me use 30-minute time here so you can see the structure is big. Okay. So as you can see, I'm waiting for price to also give me that same thing, which is my structural liquidity and carrying us to the downside. So whichever way, whenever price gives us our liquidity, that's when I'll be putting my pending order. But for now, off chart, just observing. Alright, so it might take 2 days, 3 days, it might even be next week before I'll be executing these opportunities, which I just showed you in this video. But whichever way, I'll just record from now to the end. Alright, so make sure you do well to stay to the end of this video. Alright, like this video and also subscribe to my channel, because this is where you gain free knowledge for free, and it's the truth. If you choose to play to my age, you might end up winning. You might end up winning the Forex little by little, whichever way. See you in my next video. Alright, so just stay to the end of the video to see how this trade plays out. If it doesn't come to the zone, I'll update you. If it comes and hits my stop loss, I'll update you. If it comes and hits my and go to my take profit, whichever way, I'll just update you guys. Alright. Yeah, welcome to another day again, and this is Thursday. Alright, so I'm doing this video to make you know that our first trade, or one of our trade, has been triggered, which is Euro USD. Alright, so we are going to be in this trade to whenever it's going to get to the take profit, or whenever it's going to get to the stop loss. Alright, so I'm going to take you to the chart right now to show you what's currently going on, and let's see how this one ends. Right, that take profit or stop loss, that's only what we see. Whether we lost $1 or we gained $1 as a trader, right? Not much things in it. Alright, I hope you are enjoying your trading. So see you in my chat. Alright, so as you can see, this is Euro USD, and we are currently in the trade. So I wake up from sleep, not so I executed this trade earlier, like let me see, I think 8 a.m. Then I went back to sleep. Then right now we are in the trade. Alright, we are in the trade. So let's just see how this one is going to end. If it ends well or it ends either. What it is. So for the GBP USD hasn't gotten into our zone, as you can see. GBP USD hasn't gotten into our zone right now. EU might be delivering. I don't know. I can't control the market. All I can do is just act. That's what I see. And let's just see how this one ends. Alright. Okay, I'll keep you updated. All right, as you can see, we ended this particular trade in SL, which is lost. All right, so we lost this trade, and the time is currently 9:36 p.m. and I've been in this trade over hours since let me see, since 12 p.m. or 11 a.m. I've been in this trade, and as you can see, we ended this trade in lost. And it's okay, I entered this trade 9 a.m. This trade was still triggered, I think, okay, 9:30 or 8 a.m. and as you can see, the time is currently 9:36 and this trade hit our SL around 8 o'clock p.m. and it is what it is. So it is it for this Euro USD. Alright, so I'll just wait for my next trade. I'll be waiting for price to reach this zone before selling again. My buyer still remains sells. I'll just waiting for price to reach this zone before I sell on Euro USD again. And for GBP USD, I'm currently on pending order for this particular opportunity. This is what I wanted to sell before, but price didn't actually give me my structural liquidity, so I decided to change my plan from selling from there to selling from the order block, the first order block, which is this one here, which is this order block. So price didn't give me structural liquidity below this order block, so that's why I didn't sell from there. So assume I sold, I think I would have still been lost at the moment, but it is what it is. I'm not 100% right, I'm not even 70% right, but I'm just doing my thing, what I know how to do best. And let's just see how this one ends. My buyer still remains sales. Alright, let's see how this one goes. See you in my next clip. Alright, our last trade of the week ended up becoming a losing trade again, so 2 losses for this week, and I'm done for the week. So see you guys next week. The time is currently 6:12 p.m. and guess what, I've been trading all day. Not that I was buying and selling, actually I've been in this trade ever since it was triggered around, I think when this trade was triggered was 3:30 p.m. and right now it's currently 6:13 p.m. So it is what it is. Really, this one it was a losing week, and this is my P&L for the week. It was a losing week, and this is my P&L, so I'm done for this week. I just have to see you guys next week. Let's see how next week goes. Let's see if we catch wins next week. Alright, let's see if we catch wins next week. Alright, so this is my P&L for the week. My P&L for the week. 3 trades, 2 losses, then 1 win. That win actually wasn't even a win. It was like I mistakenly used the loss size I wasn't supposed to use on the trade, and I had to close it. So this last one I'm not calculating this one as a trade, but these 2 are actually my trades for the week. Alright, so see you guys next week. And this is it. I expected price to sell like, well, I don't know, this might just be a week of hitting my stop loss and going to my direction. Probably, I don't even know though, but let's just see how it goes. I won't enter the trade anymore. I'm done trading for the week, because even if I'm going to enter this trade this week, it's still not going to get my take profit, so no need. See you guys next week. So for the Euro USD, 2 trades this week, right? For the Euro USD, this is it. I ended up losing this one, and I wanted to sell for this from this zone, but I didn't sell automatically because I was on a GBP USD trade. So I was waiting for confirmation on entry for this one before I enter, but they haven't done it. They might still do it, but it might be next week, whichever way. I'll just keep you updated. So for GU, let's just see how this one ends. It might drop, because I told you guys I ended up being right in my buyers, but sometimes the market just choose to hit my stop loss and go to my direction. So the price might drop from now, but I don't know. I just don't want to enter anymore due to some reasons. All I know is that I've lost this particular trade. Alright. So it is what it is. For the week, 2 losses, 2 trades. Last week, 1 trade. I was supposed to take 2 trades last week, but one didn't trigger and it went to my direction. The other one, I think that one hit my stop loss, right? Yeah, it hit my stop loss. I was wrong in that one. This one, it is what it is. So next week we go again. If you stay to the end of this video, I do appreciate you for that. Make sure you do well to subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video and you learned something from it. And see you in my next episode. Alright, so enjoy your weekend.